Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the high memory usage in Google Chrome browser. To get started, click on these three dots and go to Settings. From here, go to Performance. Under Memory, turn on the Memory Saver. Make sure it is set to the recommended level. Now under Speed, you will get the option of Preload Pages. Simply turn it on. Then go to System. From here, make sure the continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is turned off. Then go to Extensions. From here, turn off extensions that you don't use. Then go to Privacy and Security. Then from here, click on Delete Browsing Data. Click on More, select the All Time. Checkmark all the boxes and delete the browsing data from here. And finally go to About Chrome and make sure your Google Chrome is always up to date. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.